Making 10 is a fantastic math strategy that will help you add or take apart numbers faster. This strategy will come in handy when you come across more difficult problems in second grade and when you're an adult. It is especially useful when adding two numbers that have a sum greater than 10, or when adding more than two numbers at once. Master this strategy now and you'll be set for second grade. Let's review. I like to use this diagram to help me remember how to make 10. Press the pause button right now if you'd like to copy this diagram and make one of your own. The Tenzi rainbow connects addends that make 10. 0 plus 10. 1 plus 9. 2 plus 8. 3 plus 7. 4 plus 6. And 5 plus 5. You can also do the turnaround fact and go backwards. 10 plus 0 equals 10. 9 plus 1, and so on. My second graders like to play the Tenzi game when we review the strategy. You can play at home when you finish watching this video. All you need is a deck of cards. First start by removing all face cards like jokers, jacks, queens, and kings. Then shuffle up the cards. The object is to make 10. Lay out 2 rows of 4 cards. The first player finds all the numbers that add up to 10 and gets a point for each set that makes 10. The 10 counts as 1 point. You can also use multiple cards to add up to 10. Once all of the sets are found, clear the board and lay out 8 more cards for the second player. If there are no Tenzis, your turn is over. Clear the board for the next player. Bowling is a perfect activity to use when explaining the strategy since the object of the game is to make 10. Watch as David attempts to make 10. Not quite. He knocked down 9 pins. Good thing you get a second chance in this game. Now he needs to knock down 1 more pin to make 10. Way to go! You got it! 9 pins plus 1 pin equals 10 pins! Mrs. Gary has recently discovered her passion for bowling and would like to join a league with her friend David. She starts her journey to become a bowler by practicing in the school gym. Let's watch Mrs. Gary play and create math sentences while she plays. Mrs. Gary knocked down 3 pins. There are 7 pins remaining. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Mrs. Gary now has 7 pins to knock down. Nice job! This time, Mrs. Gary knocked down 6 pins. She needs 4 more pins in order to make 10. She did it! 6 plus 4 equals 10. Now she has knocked down 5 pins, and 5 remain. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Can she knock down the remaining 5? She focuses. She lines up the ball, and whoa! Mrs. Gary forgot to let go of the ball. You've been doing very well, but I'm not so sure you're ready to join a league just yet. Keep practicing making 10, and I'm sure you'll get it in no time. Now that you've got the idea, I'll help you prepare for second grade by showing you how you can use this strategy when you have more difficult math problems. Let's try 8 plus 5. First, make 10. I know that adding with 10 is easier to do, so I will try to make 10 first. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So I will take 2 from the napkin with 5 pretzels and place them on the napkin of 8 to make 10. Now I can add much easier. 10 plus 3 equals 13, or 8 plus 5 equals 13. Let's try that with 3 add-ins. I have 6, 3, and 4. I know that 4 plus 6 make 10, so I will add those together first. Now I can easily add 3 more to 10. 6 plus 3 plus 4 equals 13. Play the Tenzi game to practice making 10, and you'll find it much easier to add larger numbers. Have fun!